In today's lesson, we're going to work on solving word problems. Our strategy for today is draw a picture. We use this little checklist down here to make sure we are going through problem, find, know, strategies, solution, show, solution, answer, check, reasonable. And again, our strategy for today is going to be draw a picture. First thing we're going to do is look at the problem. David wants to buy some soccer souvenirs. How much money does David need to buy shorts for $15 and a shirt for $19? So how much money does David need? That sounds like a total. So when I draw the picture, I would put a line along here, the top, like this, just a long bar. Kind of put the question mark. Because our problem is up here, and we need to find how much money does David need? What do we know? Well, we know he wants to buy shorts for $15 and a shirt for $19. So I know that the shorts would be part of it, and those are $15. And I know that part of it is going to be the shirt, and that is $19. I'm trying to find how much he needs, his total. The strategies is going to be draw a picture. And then when I look at this, I want to find out from here to here, which is part 15, part 19, and if we combine them together, I need to add. So now I'm going to show myself adding 15 plus 19. That's a little messy there, so I'm going to erase that and make it just a little bit neater. So you can see the difference between my 1 and my 9. There we go. 15 and 19. And I add up 5 plus 9, I get 14. Regroup. Carry that 1 over. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. I have an answer of 34. My answer, that means, would be how much money does David need? So he needs, we can put our answer right up here. David needs $34. And finally, check my answer. Is my answer reasonable? Well, one way to check is to estimate. Estimating these two numbers means I round to the nearest 10 because it's the highest place value. The 1 says that my answer choices will be either 10 or 20. The 5 tells me that I'm 5 to 9. I should climb the vine and round up to 20. 19. The 1 and the 10 says my answer choices again will be 10 or 20. Then I look next to the 10's place and see the 9, and that says round up. So that means I will go up to 20 and not down to 10. And then I can add 20 plus 20. I know 2 plus 2 is 4, so 20 plus 20 is 40. And 40 is pretty close to 34. So it's kind of reasonable. With smaller numbers like this, the best way to check though is really like this. You subtract. 34 minus 19. I get the 34 from down here. I get the 19 from over here. Have to put the 34 on top because that's the answer. I take my sum and I subtract one of the add-ins. I could have subtracted 15. And ideally, my answer should be 15 if I did this right. So 4, take away 9, can't do that. Cross out the 3, 2 10s, cross out the 4, make that 14. 14 take away 9, okay? I know 14 take away 10 would be 4, so take away 9 would be one more than that, 5. 14 take away 9 is 5. And 2 subtract 1 is going to be 1. 15 is my answer. 15 is what I start with. So yes, my answer is correct and reasonable. Now for your assignment, what you're going to have to do is work on, and I know this is a lot, you're going to have to do page 58 in your math book, and I'm going to need you to do problem number 1. Yep, just problem number 1. Don't worry about anything else but problem number 1. That is your assignment. Have your heading on your page, come into class on Friday with that ready. So I'm making this video on Wednesday. You'll need this assignment on Friday. You'll need to watch the video and solve one problem. If you have any questions, watch it Wednesday night. Any questions, let me know on Thursday, and you can get it done Friday.